Welcome back to the Financial Independence Network channel. Today, we'll step into the thrilling world of the stock market, where you can turn your hard-earned money into a roller coaster ride of excitement and terror. We're going to talk about growth stocks versus value stocks, and which may be the best option for your portfolio. Make sure you watch till the end, where we'll discuss the top 3 performing growth and value stocks since 2015. Will Microsoft and Apple top the list? Let's find out! And please support our channel by subscribing and commenting on any other topics you'd like to learn more about. And don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Investing in the stock market can be a little intimidating, but there are 2 popular ways to make it easier: growth stocks and value stocks. Growth stocks are companies that are expected to grow faster than the overall market, kind of like how a kid has a growth spurt and gets taller. Investors are willing to pay more for each dollar of earnings because they think the company has lots of potential to make even more money in the future. These types of stocks are often found in technology and healthcare companies. Here are the top 3 growth stocks since 2015. At number 1. SolarEdge Technologies Inc., ticker symbol CDG. This stock has gained 46.34% since 2015. At number 2. Microsoft Corporation, ticker symbol MSFT. This stock has gained 27.47% since 2015. Lastly, number 3. Progressive Corporation, ticker symbol PGR. This stock has gained 25.96% since 2015. On the other hand, value stocks are companies that are considered undervalued by the market. This means that investors are paying less for each dollar of earnings. Value investors believe that sometimes the market reacts too much to short-term trends and doesn't see the long-term potential of some companies. They look for stocks that are trading for less than they are worth and believe that these stocks will eventually rise to their true value over time. You'll often find these stocks in energy and utility companies. Here are the top 3 value stocks since 2015. Number 1. Apple Inc., ticker symbol AAPL. This stock has gained 27.75% since 2015. Number 2. Supermicro Computer Inc., ticker symbol SMCI. This stock has gained 22.79% since 2015. And at number 3. Micron Technology Inc., ticker symbol MU. This stock has gained 20.04% since 2015. So which one is better? It really depends on what you want. Growth stocks can be riskier, but can also have more potential for big profits in the long term. Value stocks are usually more stable, but may not offer as much opportunity for growth. It's like deciding between going on a roller coaster or taking a nice walk in the park. They're both enjoyable but very different experiences. A good way to balance these 2 approaches is to create a diversified portfolio that includes both growth and value stocks. This can help to reduce your overall risk while still providing the potential for long-term growth. It's like having both cake and ice cream. You get the best of both worlds. To sum it up, growth stocks and value stocks are different ways to invest in the stock market. Growth stocks are companies that are expected to grow faster than the overall market, while value stocks are companies that are considered undervalued by the market. Both approaches have their pros and cons, and the best strategy depends on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. That concludes our video. If you enjoyed this information, please comment, like, and share. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our Friday series on the steps to achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching.